Good afternoon, this is Dr. Fielden, and this is Ariana, and we are going to do an adjustment today. We're going to do a cervical decompression, a thoracic adjustment, and a lumbar adjustment. And so the first thing we're going to do is a cervical decompression. Okay, go ahead and put your legs over the end of the table and lock them. We have a staff member hold her so she doesn't go anywhere. Raise your head for me and drop it. Gravity plays a big role in compressing the neck, and so this is a move to decompress the neck. Good release. Thank you. That moved well, didn't it?
Yeah, it popped a lot.
Okay, we're going to bring her up. Now, that got the gravity component out of the neck. Now we're going to get the rotational component out of the neck. This is just BioFreeze. It's a little painkiller muscle relaxer. Alright. Good release. Is that painful?
No.
No. It looks bad, but it feels good.
Yeah, it feels really good.
Okay, now we're going to do a thoracic adjustment. That's for all those tight, stiff shoulders in between your shoulder blades. And now I'm going to adjust your knees and ankles. When your low back is out, a lot of times your knees and ankles will rotate. So we're going to check those knees, get that ankle. I'm going to do the same thing to the left side. Good releases. So now we're going to go look at the low back itself. Go ahead and go face down for me. Little BioFreeze on the back. That'll keep those muscles relaxed later. We're going to check the sacrum with a leg check. Go ahead and raise that right leg up as high as you can. Okay, down. Raise the left one. Okay, which one's harder?
I think I had left.
It is. The left side's a little bit harder, so that sacrum's rotated to the left. So we're going to push it back to the right. Now uncross. Raise that leg again for me. Good. Now push down on my arm. Now we're stretching the muscles in the front of the body. Relax. Push again. Good. Raise that leg again.
The right one?
The right one. There you go. Now we're going to stretch the left one. Raise that left leg. Push down. Release. Push again. Good. Now raise the left one. Excellent. Lay on your right side. Now we're going to adjust the low back itself. Good. They were popping before we even got you over, huh? Other side. Beautiful releases.
I feel so good.
Sit up for me. Now face that way. Now we're going to check her shoulders and her wrists. A lot of times when you sleep, the shoulders get out because you're laying on them. And a lot of times when you sleep, we tend to curl our wrists under our chin. It's good to pull your fingers to pop them, not to crunch them. You won't get arthritis if you pull your fingers. Okay, stand up. Tell me how that feels.
I feel a lot looser and I don't feel as heavy.
Good. That is a total body adjustment head to toe. Thank you.